you'll see on your main Canvas page, there is an inbox. This inbox is a way for you to communicate within Canvas. The district is using Outlook this year for its email with students and teachers, but you can also email your teachers from within the Canvas. Now you'll have to choose your course, the course that you want to email, and it'll allow you to either email to a teacher. You can see when you go to your options, you have teachers and students. So when you hit the drop down, it'll show you the teachers in the course, and then it'll allow you to send a message. You'll also have, besides your inbox, it'll track who you've sent to, your sent messages, and any new messages you have. But that is an email within Canvas. But don't forget, you also have the Outlook where you can email your teachers back and forth.